Hello friends, today we will be looking at how to download and install Java in our Windows 11 machine. For that, we'll just go and search for Java Oracle download, and we will click at the first link. The latest is JDK 23, so let's try to install this. For this, I want to install for Windows, so I'll go over here, download it. So and then just save it. Once it is saved, just open it. It will We'll start the installation. Click on next. Do you want, if you want to change the location, then change the location, else just keep as it is. Okay. If you want to go to documentation or in documentation or guides, you can click on the next steps, else you can just close it. Once you have done this, go to environment variables and you can see that in path, okay, let's just cancel it over here. You see this Oracle Java path. This is added recently because of our installation. You can click on cancel now. We have to set up our path again for our JDK installed location. But before that, let's see if we are able to recognize Java. For that, let's go to CMD and let's check for Java version. It will show if it is installed correctly, properly, it will show the Java version. If it is not, then you might get some issues. Then you would have to follow the same procedure. Now it is installed. I have created a small Hello World Java application. So I will try to run it. So firstly, I will do Java C and hello.java. This will compile our code. Now, if you do Java hello dot just hello, it prints our message. Okay. Now this is done. We also some applications need the Java path, Java home path to be present in our environment variables. So for that, we will see the install location of our Java, which is C program files, Java. Okay, this is our location. We will copy it. We will go to our environment variables. Over here, we will put new and keep the name as Java home. And we just paste the value which we copied. And okay, just press on OK. Okay. Yeah, now it is done. So whenever you try to run your applications from IntelliJ, it won't give you any error as it would be able to find the Java home environment variable. That's all. Thank you.